Avoid rounding your lower back. Instead, draw your navel in slightly and lengthen through the crown of your head for proper alignment.
Don't dump all your weight into your hands. Keep your shoulders down and lift your chest using only your back strength. When lifting your hips, ensure one thing: do not lift your head completely up. Keep your head grounded to protect your neck. Knees to chest pose. Do not lift your legs too high. Keep the movement controlled and grounded. In child's pose. Don't stiffen your body. Let your hips sink onto your heels and rest your forehead on the mat to completely relax. In seated twist pose. When twisting, do not bend your neck backward. Keep your neck straight and only twist as far as is comfortable. Fix these small mistakes and say goodbye to back pain. Don't forget to like and subscribe.